Um, hey, we're talking about how to save money on taxes. We're talking about tax planning. We're talking about what can you do as an owner operator, a small business person to save money on taxes. And one of them we talk about is paying your children. If you're a parent, you can employ your child to work for your business. Now that means they got to do some work. You can't just pay them to do nothing. You can't pay them to lick stamps anymore because, hey, all the stamps just glue on. They can put the stamps on envelopes if you're mailing out bills or invoices or something else, but they've got to do something in your business. And one of the reasons you pay your kids is because they're going to be in a lower tax bracket than you. Generally, I think it's up to close to $12,000 you can pay them a year. And it's other than Social Security and Medicare, it's tax free going to them. So, it's nice because they can then pay for their own sports, they can pay for their own clothes. If you've got college age kids that take care of maybe some of your social media for you, you can pay them to do the work and then they can pay for their college if you're helping them. Those are all ideas that you can use to put somebody in a lower tax bracket. So if you're making pretty good money and your federal income tax is in a 25% tax bracket, well, if you just lowered it down to Social Security and Medicare, then your kids are putting money that you're paying them maybe into, you can put it into an IRA and let it grow. You can put it into 529s, you can put it into money market accounts, wherever you want to do it. And the kids can then use that money, if it's in a money market or in a checking account, and use that money to pay for their clothes again. It can pay for their sports or whatever else you're working to buy them. Maybe you're buying them a car and they can pay for the car out of the money that you're giving them through them working for the business. Something else, charitable contributions over the years um, have not really been deductible because of the high standard deduction. And so if you're making charitable contributions through your business, whether on Schedule C or as an S Corp, they're going to pass through to you. Now, most of those charitable contributions over the years haven't been deductible. And so change the way you categorize them.